Out of someone's working from home as a freelancer than a cut off of someone's dressed in a suit entering a corporate building for a finance job. Are you torn between a career in freelancing or finance? Both offer unique opportunities, but they also come with distinct challenges. Whether you're looking for flexibility or stability, creativity, structure, today video will break down the keys different to help us decide which path is right for you. So what is difference? Section 1, what is freelancing? So freelance work on a laptop, attending virtual meeting on a talking a midday break. Let's start with freelancing. Freelancer are a self-employed individual who work on a contract based often for a multiple client. They could be anything from it writing, designing, programming to consulting. The best part, you're your own boss and you have the freedom for choose when, where, and how you work. Freelancing is the perfect for people who value flexibility and independence. However, it also means handling things like a tax, client management, and product deadlines, and on your own. Plus, there are no guardians pay check. Pros of freelancing: flexibility, independence, choose your own project, no set work hours. Cons of freelancing: no job security, unstable income, self-managed benefit. Section 2, what is finance? So finance professional in a office sitting, analyzing report, attending meeting on discussing finance trends. Now let's talk about a career in finance. From investing, banking to accounting, finance job are typically more structured with a focus on number strategy and analyze. These rules are often in large companies offering a clear career programming and financial stability. Finance rules are ideal if you enjoy working in a structured environment with a career goal. While the hours can be demanding, especially in investment banking, the competition and career opportunities can make up for it. Tax on a screen यानी कि pros of finance: job stabilities, high earning potential, clear career progress. Or coin of a finance: long hour and high stress, less flexibility, office based work. Section 3, lifestyle comparison. Lifestyle comparison: one side show a freelancer work from a chaff traveling, the other side showing a finance professional in meetings commuting to work. Let's break it down further. Why are comparing the lifestyle of freelancing and finance? So it in term of lifestyle, freelancers often enjoy a more flexibility and day by day schedule. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and even take a fashion project. However, the traits of a financial uncertainty and the need for self-discipline. On the other hand, a finance professional usually work a 5 to 9 to 5 job or sometimes longer hour depending on the industries. They bring a financial security but less control over your daily routines. You might have a boss to report to and vacation time might be limited. Freelance lifestyle: flexible hours, remote work, less stability. Or finance lifestyle: structure from hours in office environment, financial security. Section 4, incomes, growth, and potential. So if freelancer invoicing a client and reviewing earning versus a free finance professional receiving a paycheck on a promotions. Let's talk about incomes. Freelancers have the promotional Let's talk about incomes. Freelancers have the potential to earning a lot if they are build a solid reputation and client based, but incomes can vary greatly depending on the industry, your skill set, and market demand. You might experience fast of a final circles. Freelancer can something struggle with a finding consistent work, especially early in their careers. However, for who's how establish themselves, the earning potentials can surprise traditional job. On the finance side, the income is usually studies. On the finance side, the income is usually studies with career salary structure. Finance rules, especially in investment banking, corporate finance, on a private equity, are known for high salaries and bonus, but these jobs also come with long hours and a high pressures environment. Text yani freelance incomes: variable earning, a high potential for top performance, unpredictable and finance incomes: steady salaries, a high earning potential, especially in a seniors rules, a bonus based on a performance. Section 5, which is right for you. Persons at a crossroad weighing two options. So which path should you choose, freelance and finance? It depends on your personality and career goal and lifestyle performance. If you value independence, creativity, and the ability to work on your own terms, freelancing might be the way to go. On the another hand, if you prefer a more structured career with a financial stability and career growth path, a finance career could be your perfect match. or freelance best for a creativity independent work and whose have value of flexibility. Finance best for a structure thinker or career driving or professional and who's speaking financial stabilities. The fast cutoff between financial and finance lifestyle. Ultimately, both freelancing and finance offer unique benefit, and the right choice of depend on your own proper priorities and passions. Whichever you choose, make sure it aligns with your long-term goals. Thank for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more career advice, and comment below which path you are leaning towards a financial and freelancer. Like, subscribe, comment.